Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Polaris Ranger belt. First, ensure your Ranger is on a level surface and the engine is off. Gather your tools, including a clutch spreader tool, an 8mm socket, and a new belt. Safety is key, so disconnect the battery if you prefer. Now, let's locate the clutch cover on the side of the engine. Next, remove the clutch cover by unscrewing the fasteners, typically 8 of them, with an 8mm socket. Carefully lift the cover away, being mindful of any hoses. Now, insert your clutch spreader tool into the threaded hole on the driven clutch and turn it clockwise to spread the sheaves. This creates slack, allowing you to carefully walk the old belt off both the driven and drive clutches. Before installing the new belt, thoroughly clean both clutch surfaces with contact cleaner and a rag to remove any debris. This ensures proper grip and extends belt life. Now, loop the new belt over the drive clutch and walk it onto the driven clutch, ensuring the part number faces outward. Once on, rotate the driven clutch 5 to 7 times to properly seat the belt within the sheaves. Carefully reinstall the clutch cover, ensuring the seal is properly seated, and tighten all fasteners to specification. Now, for the break-in, drive in low gear for 5 to 10 miles, varying your speed and avoiding wide-open throttle. This helps the belt mate correctly with the clutches. Remember to check the description for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Proper break-in ensures longevity and optimal performance for your Polaris Ranger.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.